Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Holly Rose and today I am joined by my sister Chelsea and we are delivering you guys a haul. Not a clothing haul or a beauty haul or a makeup haul or anything like that. Simply a plant haul is what we will be filming for you guys today. So this morning we went to the markets and we weren't actually going to the markets with anything in mind to particularly buy. We were just going for an outing, but we came home with 9 plants. So yeah, because we did buy a lot of plants, I thought that it was enough to film a haul. So here it is for you guys. I am first going to show you the haul of the plants that we did buy. Then I'm going to show you how I'm going to plant my plants in my cute little pots that I already have, because previously they had plants in them but I killed them because I'm not a very good plant mum. Hopefully I can keep these ones alive. But anyway, so Chelsea's just going to show you guys her plants first. She got 3 and I got 3 of the same sort of plant because there was this special deal on. You can get 6 plants for $10. So I shouted her 3 plants. Without further ado, here is our plants. So my first plant that I picked up at the market was this cute little cactus one. It's just got these like cute white pebbles in the bottom, so I'm going to use them when we plant them. And also, I just liked it. Plant number 2 is, this is a bit different than my other one, but I like this one too because it's just different and I just thought it would go well in my little plant garden. Number 3, I got this cute little tiny little fella. I named him Snorkel. Why? Because he looks cute. I like that name. So now I'm going to show you guys my 3 succulents because that's the type of plants that they are, in case we didn't say. This is my first one. This one's not like a bright green, it's kind of like a dull faded grey sort of colour, and it also has some purple in there as well. So I chose that one just for a bit of colour when I plant them. So plant number 2, this is probably my favourite one. I don't actually know what all these plants are called, if they have any names or anything specifically, but it's just once again a cactus plant. I don't really know what it is, but it's just these really long thin leaves and they've got a bit of spikes on the side as well. And this one's got the white pebbles, which will look really cute when I come to plant it later on. And my last one is just this really cute little guy. It's kind of blended in with the green pebbles. It's just got like these really small little leaves on it. It's really cute, and they've also got some pink around the outsides. I don't know if you can see that really clearly. It's like outlined with pink on the outside, so that's really cute, and it's got the green pebbles in it. So they're our 6 succulents that we bought. Our next plant is this Linara Fairy Bouquet. It's not flowering at the moment, but it will. They grow to about 30 centimeters tall, so these will look nice in a pot just all by themselves. That is what they look like when they flower. Hopefully we don't kill them and we're gonna be good plant moms. The next one is this Oscillum Snow Crystal ground cover sort of plant. We got this to go at the base of our palm tree, which we have in a pot outside, just to cover up the soil and give it a bit of ground cover and a bit of detail to the palm tree. These ones grow to 8 to 10 centimeters tall, so not that tall, so just act as a really good ground cover. The last plant, Chelsea, you can show this one because I don't actually like these, but I wouldn't mind just growing it, but yeah. Strawberry plants! They're going to go in a little pot all by themselves as well, and hopefully soon we will get some strawberries on them. Anyway, that's the end of our plant haul. Now we're going to go and show you guys how we're going to plant our plants in pots. Well, that's a tongue twister. Plant our plants in pots. Now, let's get into it. This is the bag of potting mix that we're going to be using. You can just get it from any Bunnings store. It's suitable for any plants, so I'm going to use that. This is just the palm tree that we're going to plant the oscillums in. We're going to plant them all around the base there, so let's get started. Okay, so you want to dig a nice little hole for the plant to go in first, and then you need to slowly try and get them out of their little sockets. Just like that, and then put them into the hole. So there are our psylliums all planted in the bottom of the palm tree plant, all evenly distributed. There are 8 of them, and so I planted 4 at each side and then filled in the gaps. They will turn out to be lovely ground cover to cover up the soil, and I'll be sure to keep you updated on how they're going in future videos. So this is the pot that we're going to be planting our fairy bouquet in. It's just a nice ceramic black pot. There are no holes in the bottom. Sometimes it's good to have holes to have that drainage, but for this one we're just going to make sure we don't water it as much. So we've got our soil in there already. It doesn't have to be filled all the way to the top. So to get at your plants, you just got to pinch the bottom and then grab it from the top to grab it out like that. Dig your hole. It doesn't have to be too deep, but just deep enough to pop the root in and pop the plant in, and then cover it back up with the soil and then pat it all down around it. And then do this until all of your plants are done. So these are our fairy bouquets all planted. They are very floppy at the moment, but when they start to flower they'll shoot up. They go as tall as 30 centimeters, so they'll be about pretty tall. I'll keep you updated on these ones as well throughout their process of growing. So these are my succulents that I planted. Sorry that there is no footage of me making these, but I tried filming and it just didn't work out because these were really hard to plant because the roots weren't actually in with the soil, and so the soil just went everywhere because it was so dry. But this is the finished product. I put those 2 in, that one with the white petals and that one on its own. And that's Chelsea's. She put 3 in the same pot. So we've come to the end of another video. I hope you guys liked seeing my plants that I bought today and my process of how to plant them at home yourself. I'm sorry that I didn't end up showing you how to plant the succulents or the strawberries. The succulents I did film, but it was really bad footage because the soil didn't stay attached to the succulents like they should have when I planted the other flowers. So it was just a messy process and it was really dodgy filming. So I'm not going to put that in this clip, and I didn't film putting the strawberries in because we haven't actually planted the strawberries yet, because we haven't found the right pot for them, because fruits are a bit difficult to plant because they need the right amount of moisture and they need like the drainage in the bottom of the pot. So we need to find the right pot to plant the strawberries, but it would be the same process as just planting the other flowers. Anyway, hopefully you guys liked this little video. If you would like to see more haul videos, please tell me in the comments below. And I will try to buy more stuff and show it to you guys, but I will only buy the stuff if it's worth buying and if I need it. I'm not just going to buy stuff for the sake of showing you guys because that's pretty pointless. I'm not just going to spend my money for the sake of spending it. I only spend my money if I need to spend my money. Today was a bit of an exception. I kind of needed cactuses, but I kind of didn't need cactuses, so I kind of just spoiled myself today, but that's okay. You can spoil yourself every now and then. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with all my videos that are going to come in the future. But anyway, that is all. I'll catch you guys in my next video very shortly. See you later.